Hey guys, welcome to Shalini Futique. It's me Shalini. The ingredients we need to make our fajitas de pollo or chicken fajitas. Sliced onions, sliced bell pepper, some coriander leaves, it's optional, ginger garlic paste, red chilli powder, some turmeric powder, very little garam masala and salt. And I took some chicken. I took chicken strips. This is boneless chicken breast meat. Now I am going to add the ginger garlic paste and the powders that we took and my coriander leaves inside the chicken, and I am going to marinate it. Mix it well. Mix the powders and ginger garlic paste. We are not going to marinate it. We can start our cooking immediately. That's all. Now I am going to heat my pan. I took a flat pan or tawa, added little oil on the pan, spread the chicken, I'm going to add the chickens are cooked now. We can remove it. And in the same pan, the masalas are sticking. In the same pan, add some oil and cook the onions and bell pepper. I'm going to add the onions and bell pepper. You can sprinkle some salt for this. Saute it for some time. Our onions and bell peppers are sauteed well. Now I am adding our chicken inside it. Mix it well. Our chicken is cooked perfectly and looks so juicy. Mix it. And our chicken fajita is ready. You can serve it with tortillas. That is the best combination. Our juicy chicken fajitas are ready. You can serve it with tortillas. Keep it in between, fold it and enjoy. Try it and enjoy with your family. Thanks for watching.